Hello everybody, welcome to MasterTheSound.com. Today, I just got this plug-in here. It is the beautiful Acme Audio Opticom model XLA-3. So it's based on their hardware unit by Plug-in Alliance and Brainworks. So this will be my first time using it. I know a little bit about it, so I've been looking at some of their hardware pieces, and I've seen some of the videos and they sound really, really awesome. So since I have this plugin, I wanted to see if it could still retain some of the analog color. So I have some tracks pulled up here, and I want to go through a couple of them with you and see how we can get this thing to sound. So first off, I have a bass DI through an API 1608. And all these tracks are from the Telefunken multi-tracks on their website, which I highly suggest you guys trying out. Definitely, I like using them for the mix tutorials and the gear shootout videos or reviews or whatnot. So first, let's go ahead and jump into the bass. Let's listen to it dry without the compressor in, and then we'll go from there. So it sounds pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and engage the compressor. Let's hit reset, and I think this may be a default. Let's see. And let's see how this sounds. So right off the bat, it sounds pretty cool. So I'll take it out and put it back in. So it's subtle, but you can definitely hear it. So let's go through some of these settings here. Let's keep the same gain reduction, and let's go through the response. So one thing right there, when you click it into this fast, it definitely gets gritty and aggressive. But down here, you have a dry-wet mix knob right on the meter there. So let's try to blend that in and see what kind of tone we can get, even from just a DI. Bypass. So this thing's definitely a bass monster. So along with the DI, we also have a mic'd cab. Let's listen to that. Go with the slow time. Normal. Fast. So it definitely sounds pretty cool. So let's go ahead and jump into some drum rooms and see what this thing does here. So we'll go in, do the same thing, hit reset, and then let's listen to this bad boy on some drums. So I'll play the drums dry. Let me make sure I got a good segment. And this is a U47 into a 1073. Slow. And we are just crushing this. Go back to normal. Let's take it out. So I'm going to crush this back, dial it back. And then we're going to play with this dry, wet mix knob. Out. And mind you, this is a mono room mic. It is a U47, and it is going into a 1073, but this compressor sounds amazing in plug-in form. So that is very, very surprising. I mean, just listen to this sound. Compared to more like 50%. That sounds really awesome. Another track I want to highlight here is going to be the lead vocal. So we'll go in here, do a reset, and we'll bypass this. Let me grab a good section of the lead vocal. Let's go back here. Dry.
I stay up all night and day, give all my money away. At the end of the day.
Okay, so let's throw this in, just listen to it in its regular reset mode.
The girl's what I want.
Instant color and grit.
Cause the girl's what I stand outside in the rain.
Let's go through the response times.
I take that physical pain. There's not much left to say. The girl's what I want.
Let's listen to this back.
I stay up all night and day, give all my money away. At the end of the day, the girl's what I want.
Definitely sounds amazing. I like this fast response time on the vocal here. We'll go back through them.
Cause the girl's what I stand outside in the rain. I take that physical pain. There's not much left to say. The girl's what I want.
So I like that there. Okay, so let's hear some of the differences on the whole mix. So I'm not using the mic bass cab, so let's listen to, you know, before and after on the bass, the vocals, and drums.
On the mysteries of love and fear, she's got me working through the night.
Listen for the bass.
I take the fortune and fame. 'Cause the girl's what I want. Don't need the critics.
So it definitely pokes out a little more. Let's go into the lead vocal. That'll be the most revealing. Definitely helps the vocal sit in the mix. I haven't done any mixing. I just muted some tracks off this session and just played them. So let's listen to the drum room. So it definitely helps out. It sounds really, really great. I like this plugin. I know I'll be using it a lot more. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in to masterthesound.com, checking out this plugin, hands-on review. If you guys want to see me do any other plugins, let me know. I own a lot of plugins. I own a lot of hardware. So if there's something you guys want to see, shoot me some comments down below. If you guys like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. You'll get more. Hoping to post a video every single week. So definitely thank you guys again for tuning in. And until next time.